Are you looking for the best sewing machines? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Singer 4452 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. This heavy duty sewing machine from Singer can handle thick fabric and heavy duty sewing projects and is best for intermediate or advanced sewers. The heavy duty metal body creates a more stable base for heavy duty sewing. Its free arm also makes sewing cuffs or sleeves straightforward, while the free motion sewing capabilities also make this double as a quilting machine. Unlike other heavy-duty sewing machines at this price, this computerized sewing machine includes 7 presser feet, including a blind hem sewing foot. Other accessories include an automatic needle threader, seam ripper, a walking foot for sewing thick fabrics, and a foot pedal to control the speed. Number 2. Janome HD3000. Some sewing machines tend not to handle heavy-duty sewing projects well, but this Janome sewing machine makes light work of thick fabric. Rated the best sewing machine for stitch quality and the number of sewing tasks it can undertake, this is an excellent investment for the professional or novice sewer alike. This heavy-duty sewing machine has variable speed control that can be controlled with the included foot pedal. Its automatic needle threading system can reduce eye strain, and the free arm makes sewing pant legs or sleeves simpler. This machine can also perform free motion sewing as a quilting machine. Number 3. Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. This Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine was rated the best sewing machine for beginners. The stitch dial easily controls the stitch length, and the needle threader reduces eye strain with the easy-to-use and straightforward built-in needle threader. The 23 built-in stitches of this Singer heavy-duty sewing machine make it easy for beginners to master a few stitches at a time. Each presser foot is labeled, allowing sewers to tackle different heavy-duty tasks with the right tools on hand. In addition, the free arm makes sewing narrow materials a piece of cake. Number 4. Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine, CS6000i. Beginners or professionals alike will appreciate the features of this heavy-duty sewing machine. This was rated one of the best sewing machines for thick fabrics due to its speed control and utility stitches. It has an automatic needle threader, drop-in bobbin, zipper foot, button sewing foot, and blind hem presser foot. The utility stitches include a different stitch length for sewing heavy fabrics. Sewing projects are made more accessible with this sewing and quilting machine with the free motion sewing arm, but having proper thread tension is essential. The free arm allows for sewing multiple layers on a sleeve, while the seam ripper, extra needles and bobbins, and quilting table make this sewing machine ideal for sewing heavy fabrics. Number 5. Brother Sewing Machine GX37 for heavy fabrics. Rated the best heavy-duty sewing machine for its portability, this Brother heavy-duty sewing machine for thick fabric is compact and perfect for those who have limited space. It is designed with an automatic needle threader and over 3 dozen built-in stitches and includes 6 presser feet. Each presser foot, such as buttonhole, zipper, blind and zigzag feet, make sewing just about any project a cinch. The free arm also makes it simple to hem or sew pants or sleeves. This sewing machine can also sew quilts,